So have you ever turned on your car's air conditioning and you got that, what the hell is that smell? Ever feeling in before? Today I'm going to address that. Now, this is one of the things that's mostly overlooked in any vehicle, and today we're going to address it. This is the micro filter or cabin filter that's found in the engine bay of the BMW E90, and we're going to get hold of that to work on that right now. Now the cabin filter is actually found underneath this big cover here, which is being held on by 8mm screws. There's 4 on the top and there's 2 at the bottom. Mine is missing one because it's broken, but I don't really bother. It's quite sturdy, so I don't care. So for starters, what we're going to do is we're going to take off this entire cover, and the filter is located underneath, so let's do that now. So before we get into the video, I want to show you the box that the filter comes in. It's the Mann filter with the part number CU8430, and this is the cabin filter that works perfectly for the BMW E90, regardless whether you have a petrol or diesel model. These are all the same. If you have the BMS cowl filters, then these will not work, obviously, because you're going to have these removed. But this is a direct replacement for the OEM filter. So you've seen the filter, you've seen the process. Enough rambling, let's get into it. Now before we remove this, I want you to bear in mind that I have never replaced this filter in all my times of owning this car, and I don't think it has been replaced in its entire life. So what you're about to see is the first time I'm about to see it as well. So let's get into it. So as you can see, this is close to 13 years or 14 years of use, and all you need to do is remove these 3 clips and the filter will come off. So let's look and see what's actually underneath this. Ready? Okay, I think I need 2 hands for this. That's actually not too bad. It is a bit dusty, yeah, but that's what you expect. I'm actually pleased with this. Now for demo purposes, to put your new filter in, you're going to take it like this. You see it has these little markings and pointy ends over here. That goes inside first, and then you just clip it in to the corners like so, and thereafter you just push it into the clips. And it clips in. So for the installation process, just the reverse of whatever you did to remove it. Just get it slots into place like so, and then you can put in the screws, hand thread them for a bit, just so it takes the thread, so you're not cross threading it, and then you can take it out then you can continue from there. And that, everybody, is how you replace the cabin filter. Now before you think that you're done, you're actually not. You need to reset the service light that actually is associated with it, and I'm going to show you how to do that now. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to turn the key on, and you're going to switch it to ignition mode only. Then you're going to press and hold the trip reset button until you see this triangle, and thereafter you see the service intervals. You're going to use your BC control, and then you're going to go over until you see that filter. Now I still have 90,000 Ks, and that's until 2021, but I'm just going to reset it for now. So you're going to press and hold the BC button once, and it's going to ask you if you want to reset. You're going to press and hold it again. Now because it's not actually giving a warning light, it's not being able to actually get reset. So if this happened to give you a problem, once the actual date is 2021 April, then only I'll be able to reset this. But until then, it's actually just replaced it, and it's not asking to be reset for anything, so I'm just going to leave it at that. So there you have it, guys. Quick and fast, simple mod. Not actually a mod, but it's maintenance, but simple, quick and easy. I'll leave links to this Mann filter in the video description for you to check it out. It is an Amazon affiliate link, so if you purchase it, I will earn a small commission from that. Yeah, there's nothing else to actually worry about. Everything is done. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like, comment, subscribe, everything, all that stuff. I guess I'll see you soon. While we're at it, I'm just gonna add some oil to the car. It's just a liter short. So the good part about the diesels, they always have a dipstick, so you can always just check the fuel, the oil level. Right now it's on the minimum mark, so I just caught this in time. I don't want any engine problems or anything like that, so we're just gonna fill the oil. The oil I use is BMW 5W30. Now this works for gasoline and diesel engines without a DPF. Now because I did a DPF delete, so I don't have to worry, but this is the perfect oil for this engine. It comes in 1 liter containers, so it's always when it's just a liter short, I know I just have to purchase this and just top it up. Diesel engines obviously consume a bit more oil than usual, and it's actually on time, so I don't have a problem with it. It's actually quite cheap to purchase it in a liter, so I'm just going to do that all the time until I do a full oil change, which will be soon as well. So let me know if you want to see that as well. So if you've made it to the end of the video, which I really appreciate, I want to hear your feedback on what do you think I should do to this car next. I'm two-minded. In fact, I'm actually on borderline justifying myself. I want to tackle the wheel wells on this car. So let me know if you'd be interested in watching a video of that, and I'd like to hear your thoughts on that. Also, if you, just to be a little bit different and to just confuse people who didn't watch all right way to the end, drop a comment on your favorite color. I just want to know what, just for some wacky reason. Alright, so hope you enjoy your day. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys soon. Peace.